Bud Light, how's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you. Feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, now we got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd, smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning, some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you. About you, about you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on a strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just